Hey everyone, welcome back to Real Pod English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Today we're doing something simple and natural.
Yeah, no grammar lesson today.
No rules, no explanations.
Just a real conversation about our day.
Because sometimes the best way to improve your English is by listening to how people actually talk in daily life.
Exactly. So today we're just talking about what we did. So, how was your day today?
Honestly, it was kind of busy. I woke up feeling tired, so my morning was a bit slow.
What time did you wake up?
Around 7:30, I hit the snooze button like 3 times.
Same. I always say just 5 more minutes, but it's never 5 minutes.
Exactly. Then I rushed to get ready and skipped breakfast.
Oh no, that's the worst. I can't function without breakfast.
I grabbed a coffee on my way to work, so that helped a little.
Nice. Was work stressful?
A little. I had back-to-back meetings all morning.
That sounds exhausting.
Yeah, by lunchtime, I was already tired. What about you? How was your day?
Mine was actually pretty chill. I worked from home today.
Lucky you. No traffic?
No traffic. That's the best part.
Traffic was terrible this morning. I was stuck for almost 30 minutes.
That would ruin my mood.
It almost did.
What did you do in the afternoon?
Mostly emails and finishing a report. Nothing too exciting.
Sounds productive, though.
I guess. What did you do?
I worked on a project for a few hours, then took a short break and went for a walk.
That sounds relaxing.
It was. The weather was amazing.
Meanwhile, I was inside all day.
Long day, huh?
Very. When I got home, I just threw my bag on the couch and sat down.
I know that feeling.
But I did cook dinner, so I feel a little accomplished.
Nice. What did you make?
Pasta. Simple but good.
You can never go wrong with pasta.
Exactly.
Did anything unexpected happen today?
Actually, yes. I spilled coffee on my desk before a meeting.
No way.
Yeah, and I had like 2 minutes to clean it up.
That's stressful.
I was cleaning with one hand and checking the time with the other.
Multitasking at its finest.
Exactly.
My unexpected moment was my internet stopping for about 20 minutes.
Oh no, not during work.
Yes, right in the middle of something important.
What did you do?
Restarted the router like 5 times. You know when you just stare at it hoping it works?
Yes, like staring at it will magically fix it.
Exactly, but it came back, thankfully.
Are you doing anything tonight?
Probably just relaxing, maybe watching something or reading.
That sounds nice. I might call a friend later.
Good idea. I should call my family too. It's been a few days.
Time really flies.
It does. 1 minute it's Monday and suddenly it's Friday.
And then we're tired all over again.
The cycle never ends.
Do you have plans for tomorrow?
It's going to be a busy one. I've got a packed schedule.
Good luck.
Thanks. I'll definitely need coffee.
Lots of coffee.
Always.
Overall, I'd say it was a busy but good day.
Same here. Nothing too crazy, just a normal day.
And sometimes normal is perfect.
All right, everyone. That's it for today's episode.
Just a simple, real conversation about daily life.
If you enjoyed listening to natural English like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to Real Pod English.
And try talking about your own day in English tonight.
We'll see you in the next episode.